A decade after the 2013 Muzaffarnagar riots, Ravinder Prahlad, father of Gaurav, one of the victims, has accused BJP leaders of exploiting his son's death for political mileage but abandoning his family after coming to power. Prahlad recalls that top leaders like Rajnath Singh had visited his home, promising support. But today, he says, none of those promises were kept. Roads promised were left incomplete, licenses never issued, and local MLAs ignored his pleas. He alleges that while BJP leaders used his son's killing during election campaigns, his family had to fight their cases alone, without any backing. Prahlad says, "My wound can never heal. Leaders became ministers and MPs, but none stood by us." The 2013 riots, triggered after the killings of Shahnawaz, Gaurav, and Sachin, left 60 people dead and nearly 50,000 displaced. But today, Prahlad says his grief has only deepened. Politicians cashed in, but his family was left behind.